So I've had this Samsung phone for almost a year now. I'm not sure why, but this phone feels slower than ever before, even on stock ROM, and I'm not sure why, because back when I got this thing is snappy and I've had no problems with it. Feels snappy even on One UI 7. But when I got an iPhone, this thing somehow felt slower than ever before. These days, I find no use for it, and I just use it to watch something to sleep.
You know why?
And today, I wanna experiment something. As I'm sick of this thing being on One UI, I wanna try something different, and that is PostMarketOS. Basically, an operating system that runs Linux natively on your Android phone. But not just Android phones, it's available for literally anything. Routers, watches, set-top boxes, Raspberry Pis, as well as things that are similar, Steam Deck, laptops, and etc. But today, we're doing it on this A30. Officially, there are 731 devices supported by PostMarketOS, and quite unfortunate that my phone isn't, as it is being listed on the downstream category. But don't fret, because from that picture, you can tell that it might work. And there are 3 people that have success with PostMarketOS with this device, although this one person had their A30 died. Hopefully it's not due to it falls off a tripod. Will I be the 4th person on this list? Let's find out. Oh wait guys, I noticed a problem. I gotta get on Linux to install Linux. What am I thinking? Installing a superior OS from an inferior OS from Microsoft. I'll be right back.
I found my name! Yes.
And we're done! Wait, what? Looks like my outfit changed as well to fit the stereotype. I'm finally back on Linux. It's been a while, isn't it? Anyways, time to finally get started with this. Warning. Tired. First, you have to install PM Bootstrap. It's recommended to install it via Symlink. But hence I never touched Linux in over a year. What? Git sucks. I found Package Manager the easy way. Oh my god, could have just done that from the very beginning. There you go, that works. PM Bootstrap, cool. Run PM Bootstrap init first with PM Bootstrap init. Pressing enter here will set the work path of suggested value. Okay, enter. Location of the PMA ports path containing package definitions. Enter. Setting up native CH routes. Okay, I guess that's done. Channel edge. The release channel. If you're unsure, see installation. If you're unsure, stable. I guess I'll go stable? Question mark. Let's check out on edge. What's edge? Is edge and stable like different?
Yes.
I guess I'm gonna go with stable. I guess that will matter, right? Vendor keymule. Vendor, the manufacturer, and codename of your device. These are listed on your device's wiki page. The codename, vendor codename, I guess I'm going here. Vendor, where do I find vendor? Vendor, the manufacturer. I guess you do Samsung A30? Did not pass validation. Oh, so I just noticed. So my A30 is on the downstream kernel, and I have to use Edge channel. So how do I go back? PM Bootstrap in it. Oh, I can just, well, Edge, yes. Vendor, okay, here Samsung A30 did not pass a validation What? How does? I'm a pro Linux user. Samsung Galaxy A30. Nope. Linux. Samsung A30. No. A30. Samsung A32. No. Dude, how does this work? Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's a vendor and code name, right? Arch64? Wait a second. What is this? So if I do Samsung A30? What? A30. There's a downstream for expect missing continue. Oh, what? What did I just did? Oh, vendor. Vendor, the manufacturer. I'm an idiot. I spent all that time typing the wrong thing. It asked for a vendor. Vendor, the manufacturer. This is the vendor, Samsung. And then it asked for what's the goddamn code name. There it is, the A30. Goodness, I'm an idiot. Username WPA. Available providers for PostMarketOS USB modded default profile to developer mode. I think I typed that wrong. There you go. Available user interface. Buffy board, console, FB keyboard, no mobile. Actually, this doesn't look bad. This doesn't look bad. I think I'm gonna go with no mobile. System D. Isn't this the thing that recently sparked into controversy about age verification? I'm not too sure. I'm just gonna go with default because I have no idea. Additional options. Extra free space 0 megabytes. Boot partition 256. How much free space do you want to use in megabytes? 0. What would be to put 256? Low key, I have no idea. How many jobs to run parallel compiling? 8. 5G. Default is N, so N. This is time zone, yeah. Use a preferred locale in US. This locale is not in the list of valid locales, yeah. No wonder. It's hostname, short form, foo. Trash. Zap existing routes to apply configuration. Password. Done. Here you go. Okay, I think that's about it for the things. The device wiki. And bootstrap install Android recovery.6. Recovery. Install foundation. Oh, what did I'm pretty sure I typed something wrong there then. Anyways, confirm password. It's already done. My bad. Was just scrolling Twitter, found something incredibly disgusting, and I'm quite jealous about it. Anyways, well, what's next? So I forgot what I was supposed to do next. Copy PMO Samsung zip to external SD card. Where do I find PMO PM bootstrap export? Postmarket export. There it is. That's the thing. Put it in there. Still have not seen the phone on devices. Nope, nothing. What the fuck? Well, all of that was a time waste because I just disabled MTP and then enable it again and it works. But whatever. And this micro SD card. So now you just place that into your micro SD card. And you load faster. Okay, so I disable MTP again, enabling it. A micro SD card. Internal storage. Why does it keep loading? Dude. I'm kinda lazy to deal with this right now, so give me a second. Why am I doing all that? I have local sand. We have technology. So on the wiki, it tells you to boot to twerp, which I already just did. Format. Yes, I guess. Yes. Okay, it's done. Wipe. Advanced wipe. My freaking iPhone ran out of storage. Thanks 64 gigabytes iPhone. Dalvik. Cache. Data. That's it. Okay. Mount external SD card only. What does that mean? I think it says install. Select storage, mount SD card. I think that's all it wants me to do. Moss pissed me off. And then install zip file. If you see failed mount / data, ignore it, I guess. Okay. Let me see. Whoa, okay, that looks cool. I guess this might take a while. I can't continue recording this because I have a 64 gigabytes iPhone, so this might take a while. Look at the time, it's 6:07. So yeah, I'll update you when it's done. Oh no, filter mount / data. It's fine. If you see film, ignore it. Sure. I guess now it's reboot to system. Oh yeah. It's 18:10. It only took 3 minutes, I guess. Oh. I saw the Samsung logo for a second, and it turns off. Did I heartbreak it or something? Oh no. Let's just wait, cause the best thing I could do right now is just wait, I guess. And my iPhone gave me 20% battery remaining again. Thanks iPhone. Yeah. I guess I'll wait. I don't know what it's doing right now. So yeah, I guess I'll wait. Please don't tell me I accidentally heartbreak this phone. Oh, there we go. Whew. Whew. Okay. I'm not sure why though. Does this thing not have a boot logo or something? Usually, if I install a bad ROM, it would just boot loop. But there's nothing after the Samsung logo. What is going on? Excuse you? Okay, thank you very much. What the hell is going on back there? Why did I wipe it? God, I have to do this again. Don't tell me that I have to flash stock ROM and all that. Okay, I have to. Well, unfortunately, I think I have to install one US 7 port. That's my bad. That's really just my bad. Wipe, format data, yes. Advanced wipe, Dalvik cache data. There you go. Alright, that's done. Select storage, SD card, yeah. PMO this. Am I clear to install? I think so. Alright, that's done. Yep. Just reboot the system and then. Okay, we see this before, and apparently it has loaded because it didn't boot loop. Because if it boot loops, the kernel aren't initialized. If I read that correctly. Yep, if it boot loops, then the kernel is not loading. But it's a black screen, so the kernel keyword may have actually loaded successfully. So right now I'm on Windows, so give me a second. So connect the phone to the computer. It shows up. Okay, that's good, I think. Copy this here. Invalid hood name. List. Done. It says done. Yep. My phone is there. For some reason, when this command does not work. Invalid hook name. Did that. Done! What's done? What if I just skip that? Can I get this and paste that? Of course. What numpad? Excuse me? That was a. Oh my god. Excuse me? My god. Bruh! What? Thanks, Linux. As I was saying... Oh. I don't know what just happened. Okay, maybe this time's actually done. I could do that. Maybe I could just try... Oh! Oh! Okay. Okay, maybe it will boot this time? Question mark. Boot is not configured for method. Have dull boot image. You can use method option. Oh wait, warning. I was gonna sideload it via ADB. So oh, okay. Starting ADB silo feature. Yeah, I gave up. But not just giving up, a month break included actually. While I was editing this video, I saw that there is Odin method. Went to Linux and did the command to export to Odin files. Went to Windows and yeah, I have no idea what to do. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video despite its unfinished result. And also, I didn't get to be the fourth person as someone took that place away from me. Well, they also didn't have success on installing PostMarketOS on this phone either. Like I said in the beginning, as I'm sick of this thing being on One UI, I want to try something different. If PostMarketOS didn't work out, I'm gonna try RestlessOS, which is a fork of GrapheneOS and a GSI. If RestlessOS didn't work out, I'm gonna try LineageOS, a ROM which most NPCs use, and also a GSI. Slightly less of an NPC. Why? Well, that concludes this experiment then. You can go no operating system for you. You're gonna stay like that. It's not like I used to a lot anyways. I just use my iPhone to watch videos to sleep now. Thanks, Samsung. Thank you. And that's about it. I'm retiring that phone probably. This video is long overdue, so I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next 3 videos I promised. Hopefully, because I kinda hated the videos I'm about to upload.